Today, we're setting a strong foundation, activating the entire body to feel both energized and steady. This 5-minute routine will loosen, stretch, and prepare you to face the day with strength and clarity. Let's move through each stretch with purpose, waking up every part of the body. Start by sitting on the mat and bringing your right knee towards your chest and hugging it gently. Feel the stretch release any tightness in your hip and lower back, inviting openness. Breathe deeply here, feeling the tension melt away. Switch to the left side after 30 seconds. This movement grounds and awakens, preparing your lower body for movement. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Inhale, then exhale as you fold forward from the hips, reaching for your toes. Feel the length through your hamstrings and lower back, releasing any tightness from the night, making room for flexibility in your legs. Allow gravity to guide your body into the stretch, making room for flexibility in your legs and spine. Each breath invites more lightness and ease. Move down on your stomach and press up onto your forearms, lifting your chest into a gentle extension. Let your shoulders relax and draw down, bringing a feeling of calm to your lower back. Breathe deeply here, letting the warmth flow through your core and spine. This stretch grounds and strengthens, setting you up with steady energy. Stand up with feet wide and shift into a side lunge to your right. Feeling the stretch open through your inner thigh. Move smoothly back to center, then shift into a lunge to the left. Each lunge releases tightness in your legs, creating flexibility and balance. This movement draws energy into your lower body, loosening the hips and preparing you to move forward confidently. Finish on all fours, ready for a gentle spinal wave. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your gaze, and exhale as you round your spine, letting each vertebrae shift. This rhythmic movement loosens any last bits of tightness along your back and core. Great work, fam. You spent these 5 minutes activating, stretching, and grounding every part of your body. As you step into the day, carry this energy with you. If you're ready for more, try another stretch, dive into a workout, or unwind with a quick meditation. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go, fam.